Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. Today we're going to talk about colloquialisms used in everyday conversation. And I'm talking about adverbs, adjectives, expressions, these little words that we use when we speak. Pas mal. This is an interesting one, and we use it to mean quite a few. You probably already know it as not bad, but this is more colloquial. Il parle pas mal de langues. He speaks quite a few languages. Then we've got pas terrible, and it means not great. It implies something's not as good as expected. Le film était pas terrible. The film or the movie wasn't great. Then we've got bof. It's like meh. It's used to impress indifference or lack of enthusiasm. Tu as aimé le repas? Bof, c'était moyen. Did you like the meal? Meh, it was average. Then we've got ça peut aller, which is I'm okay, I'm not too bad, could be worse. So if someone says to you, comment ça va? And you answer, ça peut aller. It's like, how are you? Not too bad, could be worse. Then we've got carrément. You will hear this one a lot, which means totally or definitely. We don't say définiment, okay? We say carrément. C'est carrément génial. It's totally awesome. Franchement, honestly. Franchement, je pensais que ça allait être mieux. Honestly, I thought it would be better. We also use nickel to mean perfect or spot on. La soirée était nickel. The evening was perfect. Pas de souci. That's our equivalent of no problem or no worries. You could also say pas de problème, but you will hear pas de souci a lot more. Je te le rends demain. Pas de souci. I'll give it back to you tomorrow. No problem. Ça roule. It's going well or sounds good. On se voit demain? Ça roule. See you tomorrow? Sounds good. You will also hear the word sympa used for nice or friendly. It's actually short for sympathique. It does not mean sympathetic, it's a false friend. C'est un mec sympa. He's a nice guy. Marrant or marrante is funny or amusing. Ce film est vraiment marrant. This movie is really funny. Then we use n'importe quoi to mean nonsense or whatever, when something's absurd. Ce qu'il raconte, c'est n'importe quoi. What he's saying is nonsense. Chouette or génial, we use those a lot. It means great or cool. C'est vraiment chouette cette idée. That's a really cool idea. Flemmard or flemmarde for a girl. It's lazy or being a slacker. Quel flemmard celui-là. That guy is such a slacker. Then we've got trop, which you know as too much, but it also means very or extremely. Elle est trop sympa, ta copine. Your friend is really nice. Now here's a few slang ones for you. These are a lot stronger, whereas the previous ones were more everyday. This is really slang. So grave which means serious in a normal way, is used here to mean definitely or totally. So in a way, it's the same as carrément, but it's more slang. Il est nul, ce chanteur. Grave. That singer's rubbish. Totally. You've also got vachement, which you will hear, for really or very. Il est vachement sympa. He's really nice. You can also use chiant or chiante for someone who's really annoying or a pain in the ass. Ce prof est chiant. That teacher's annoying. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.